Sorry about the interruption. I'm back. Menards screwed up an order and my deliveries weren't getting here, so I had to get that all worked out. But we were just talking about how many apples are in a seed, and sorry. But yeah, as I was saying, if you just, how all the food that you are going to be able to harvest, you will never have enough, so you share it with your family, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors. Now imagine that on a larger scale. Holy shit. Hold on, I'm gonna turn you around. There's a little, damn it, little gopher. Ah, he saw me now. Oh, here he comes. See him at the base of that tree? Here he goes. All right, enough of him. But anyway, now this whole row is all cherry trees right here. And then you get down further, you got some elderberry down there. I think some currant. Yeah, and then some verbena. I don't know if there's any berries on those. Oh, here he is again. Look at. See what those are? He can move when he wants to. Well, yeah, like I said, this is not your typical backyard, obviously. But if you see straight down the middle here, those huge, there's, I think, 10 plum trees going down that center row. And on each side of it is a 150-foot long grape trellis I built last fall. One side has 34 grapevines on it, and the other one has 32 on it. Wait. No, sorry, that's way too many. One has 19, the other one has 17. And yeah, and then out front, I don't know if you can see through the trees, those posts. Yeah, let's just walk up there and I'll show you. You get some exercise on this property, I'm telling you. Okay. This is what you call a kiwi trellis. Okay? So we got kiwis starting to grow up here. We're gonna start training them out, get trained up the trellis. And then here we have a row of elderberry. So this property is absolutely loaded with food. There's another kiwi. And these are hardy kiwis, just so you know. I believe hardy kiwis are self-pollinating, and they'll grow in Minnesota, so you don't have to worry about it being too cold here. They will come back every year. But that is what we're dealing with here, and in the middle here is going to be in 2 years time, this is going to be a whole row of raspberry, 2 rows of raspberry bushes, 2 rows of blackberries, a row of nectarine trees, a row of peach trees, and then 20 blueberry bushes of all different types of berries. Oh, here comes my last load of of pea gravel, so now I'm gonna have to go spend my money. No, sorry, not my money. And there we go. But there will be, you know, my client loves to have smoothies every day, so he wanted the biggest variety of berries. You know, I still have some currants and different color elderberries, black elderberry, red elderberry, blue elderberry, and then gold currant, red currant, and a bunch of raspberries that I'll probably end up putting in the ground here. And here's the last load. And then so far I have 12 raised beds put together, 12 more to go. Yeah, if you want to watch the last load of rock get laid and get poured out. And then I'll show you just in that little amount of time I've been filming video, and I'll show you how much more has been done on this annual garden bed. So let's walk down here. See, it's starting to get all flattened out. And then we're going to tamp it down. This will be a nice solid base. We're going to lay some fabric over that, and then this gravel that just got dropped off is going to be the footpaths between all of the raised garden beds. But that will be laid down another day. Anyway, I gotta go pay for all this stuff. So have an amazing day. I'll have another update for you in a little bit. See ya.